Top of the top. You already know what it is, man. We made it one more week. It's Friday. It's fucking Friday. Again, I say I love Fridays. I love every fucking day. But Fridays, whew, you motherfuckers, I love them. Some shit I want to talk about real quick, man. We use the term OG too loosely, man. Like growing up, that was the, I mean, the motherfuckers that provided and put on and protected, niggas, them niggas was OGs, man. We use that shit loosely as hell now. Just cause a nigga old, they be like, what up, OG? Hell no. Or a nigga might be trying to say it to be funny. Fuck that, man. All the OGs stand up, nigga. If you providing, protecting, and putting on for your youngest, anybody, for your family, nigga, you a OG, nigga, stand up, man. We gotta get these suckers up out of here, man. I don't like that shit. Niggas is using that term too loosely. But y'all already know what it is. Smoke your good breeds, drink your good breeds, and drink your motherfucking water. You have a good day, man.